Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the perfect face yoga massage. Face yoga massage is exactly what you think it is. A mixture between a massage and yoga, but for the face. What this helps you for is to keep your skin youthful, vibrant, glowy, and toned. It also helps you decontract and relax the muscles. So what a better way to treat your skin than with a facial yoga massage. Follow step by step through the video so we can do this practice together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this useful. I hope your skin starts glowing the way you want it to. See you again next week with another video.